Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be explaining how I generate briefs using ChatGPT. Alright, so this video will be very helpful to those of you who, let's say, you're kind of new to design and you're trying to maybe create a portfolio and you're wondering how do you create a portfolio when you don't have jobs. Alright, so basically you can get briefs from ChatGPT and work on those briefs and then put those work in your portfolio. Alright, so I'm just going to be showing you how to simply do that. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, so without talking too much, let's get right into the video. Alright, so to generate briefs from ChatGPT, all you have to do is just tell it that you want to create a portfolio and you're trying to get briefs for your portfolio. Alright, so just try to be conversational with ChatGPT. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll just say hey. Alright, I'll just say hey and he replies me, hey Steph, how's it going? And I'll be like, I want to create a design portfolio on Behance, but I need design briefs. Now, in case you don't know what Behance is a platform where you can upload your designs. Alright, it's a platform you can upload your designs, and yeah, I've actually created a video on how to create a portfolio using Behance. So you can just click the link at the top right and it will show you how to use Behance to create a portfolio. But for today's video is like how to get briefs to create the designs in the first place so that you can then upload those designs on Behance or any other portfolio platform. Alright, so I told you that I need to create a design portfolio on Behance, but I need design briefs. So he said, perfect move. A strong Behance portfolio built around real world style briefs will help you attract serious clients. Since you already have diverse design experience, I can draft some fictional but realistic design briefs that mimic what your clients would post. You can then design for them and present blah 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 blah. Alright, so you can see the brief. Alright, so let's go through them. The first one is a logo design brief for food and beverage. Alright, so the client is Jollof Republic and the brief is, look at the brief here, a new African street food brand blah blah blah. The second one is a social media campaign. Alright, look at the brief, design a set of Instagram carousel posts. The third one is a book cover design. The fourth one is brand identity. The fifth one is YouTube thumbnail design. Alright, so you can see the briefs it was. Now you can also be more specific. Let's say you're a social media designer and you only want social media design briefs, or you're a logo designer, you only want logo design briefs, or you're a YouTube thumbnail designer, you only want YouTube thumbnail briefs. You can also be more specific. Right, so let's say I'm a social media graphic designer, so let's say I want only social media design briefs. Alright, and you'll see it will start posting only social media design briefs. So this is for a fashion brand, this is for an edtech app, this is for a restaurant, this is for a fitness influencer, tech startup, music festival, non-profit, local. You can see all the briefs, 10 different briefs, and they are all social media designs. Alright, they are all social media designs. Now if you wanted to create 30, let's say you want to go on a design challenge, you want to design one design every day for the next 30 days, you can just tell it that you want to do a design challenge for the next 30 days where you'll be designing. That should provide you with the briefs, and it actually provide you with the briefs for all 30 days. Alright, or if you'd rather you want to design for a single brand, let's say you don't want to do random designs, you want to design for one brand, let's say 10 designs for one brand, you can also specify that and it will give you 10 designs for one brand. So let's say I highlight this, you can highlight this. Once you highlight it, click on this ask ChatGPT and say I want 10 design briefs for this brand. Alright, I want 10 design briefs for this brand, and you can see it. They said we'll treat it as if you're their in-house social media designer and create different realistic briefs across campaigns. And you can see the 10 briefs. This one is a carousel, this one is an Instagram post, this one is social media, like 10 briefs for that single brand. Alright, 10 briefs for that single brand. Then you can now gather all of it and design it, post it online. But you can gain traction on it on social media. You can add it to your portfolio. Alright, so now let me even show you my portfolio so you can actually see what I'm saying. You can see what I'm saying. Excuse me. Alright, so let me show you my portfolio. So this is Behance I was talking about, and this is my portfolio. Alright, so you can see what I have here in my portfolio. Let me show you this is Spire. Right, you can see this, everything here is fictional. Right, everything is fictional, though I'm not the one that got the brief by myself. I was in a community called Designers Tribe, and they actually post design briefs every week. Yeah, so but I'm sure that they used AI to actually generate the briefs, probably ChatGPT, and you can see what I was able to create from the design brief, and I've posted it to my portfolio. Right, let me show you another one. This is Agrocore. This is a fictional design brief that I used to design all of this, and I've added it to my portfolio. Right, so clients can come to your portfolio, they can see this work, and it looks pretty professional, and it's to convince them that you're actually the guy for the job. Alright, instead of just showing them some random designs or telling them that you don't even have designs to show them. Right, you can just add this to your portfolio, and clients will be convinced that you actually know what you're doing, right? So a lot of the designs here are actually fictional, some are real projects, but I like putting fictional projects here because you have creative freedom to do whatever you want. Right, in clients work, you have to kind of please your client, but when you generate your briefs yourself, you're free to do whatever you want. Alright, so this is basically how you can generate briefs for your design, and you can actually use those briefs to create designs and add them to your portfolio. Alright, so now if you notice, these briefs are actually kind of very simple. Create an interactive story set which are fit, blah 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 blah. Now if you want the brief to be more detailed, you can actually still make it more detailed. So I can say make the brief more detailed. Alright, let it have a headline, subtext, and CTA. Also provide imagery ideas. Alright, so I was like, you know what, it's too simple. Let each brief have a headline, let it have a subtext, let it have call to action, and let it have imagery ideas, like what type of images can I use for the brief. And look at what it's brought out. It brought out a headline. Let me show you the original one. The original one, look at it. They said new collection launch carousel, create a 6-slide Instagram carousel announcing the fall winter collection, blah 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 blah. This is just very generic. Alright, but now I've made it more specific. Alright, so now they've given us the headline, they've given us the subtext, they've given us the call to action, and they've given us imagery ideas. So an idea is full body editorial shots of models in urban settings, graffiti walls, city rooftop, alleys, blah 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 blah. Look at the second one, the same thing, headline, subtext, call to action, imagery. So all of them are detailed. Alright, so you can see how ChatGPT has made the work very simple for us. So you can now go ahead to make your design. They're even giving you imagery ideas, what type of images will work for the flyer. Alright, so this is how basically you can generate briefs using ChatGPT. Alright, so I hope you learned something new from this video, and if you did, kindly let me know in the description, in the comments below. Alright, you can also do it to like the video, subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more amazing content. Alright, and like I said earlier, I have a video on portfolio, so you can just check that out. I'll link it in the description box, and of course you can check out my other videos, and I'm sure they'll be helpful to you. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.